How's it going, guys? It is January 3rd, 2023, and I want to do an update for the 5ers challenge. Happy New Year. We're starting off this year good. I did take about 3 weeks off from trading, so I came back a little rusty, but thankfully we did good. If we look at where I'm at, I started off with a $6,000 account. I'm new to it. I'm trying to qualify for the first challenge, which is a $6,000 account. I have it so far at 234, and I have 92 days left of the 184 that they give you, so roughly 3 months to try to get this done. I think we'll get there. Like I said, it's 375 what we need. We're at 234. We started off really good, as you can see here in the graph. Then I got too cocky. Happens to every trader. No excuse there. And as you can see, we went down back to 6,000. That was tough. Those days were tough. But then I got my head on straight, and we have been going up ever since then. I had to change my strategy a little bit. I started doing partial exits on my trades, and that's what made the difference. So I will make a video on partial exits here in a bit. I will make a video with my complete strategy, but I wanted to do an update. So we got 92 days left. We're at 234, and I think we're going to reach our goal. It's barely January. In the next 3 days, there's going to be some news trading, which will help get there. I will also make a video on news trading, how I make a lot of money off of news. It's really easy. If you have watched my previous videos, you will see sort of how that works, but I'll make a detailed video on that. Daily win rate, I want to show you guys. So these first days, as you could tell here, is when I was going up. And then this is when I started getting in drawdown. Now, drawdown happens to everybody, but I changed my strategy, so when I am going to have a losing trade, I get out right away. Like, right away. I don't even let it hit SL, stop loss. Sometimes I get out when it hits halfway through my stop loss. I get out. I'm being really cautious not to let these red ones appear, not too much. Then as you could tell, as the days went by here, I did a lot better. There were some days where we did get losses. It happens to everybody. But as long as you got more green bars than you do red on the 5ers challenge, when you're looking down here, you're good. What else can I show you guys? So that's about it. Let me go ahead and show you on the actual MT5. All right, guys. So here we are on the MT5 platform, and as you could tell, we started off here on the 2nd, trading this new year. We stopped last year on the 9th, as you could tell here. So I took a lot of days off. So I was a little nervous actually coming back into the markets on the 2nd yesterday. And as you could tell, we took a few two trades, but the market was really slow right after New Year's. There isn't really nothing going on. Now today, the 3rd, we took 3 trades, and you could see them here. The first trade was towards the bottom, and I took some partial profits. And I realized, see these candles here? We call it a hammer because here's the handle, here's the hammer part. That tells you this thing is probably not going to go down. So I got out right there at $2.04. And I waited. Then I realized it was rising here, so we opened up a trade. The first one, we partially closed it, and we got $15 out of there. Now, on a $6,000 account, $15 doesn't sound like much of profit, but once you go up through the levels of trading, once you get to the $4 million account, then you're going to start to really see a lot of money there. If those $15 will actually be $15,000 on a $4 million account. That's why we want to get there. And then I saw that it might keep going up. I got a little greedy here. I got in, but then I realized it might be reversing. So I got out in break even at 45 cents. Now check this out. I did reverse a little bit, little pullback, and then bam, it went straight up. Now, I almost fell into the trap of the fear of missing out. They call it FOMO. That's what the 5%ers calls it. Fear of missing out. Be careful not to fall into that trap. I have a 2 to 3 trade maximum rule, and I was about to break that rule by wanting to get more here, but I said that $15 profit is good for me. I'm done for the day, and I quit for the day. Now your personality, your rules might be different, but that's how I do it. And this, I could have made if I would have held on to this trade and not broke even, look at this. It probably would have hit my stop loss down here though anyway. But look at that, that's the fear of missing out when you're like, oh, could have, should have, would have. No, don't fall for that, guys. All right, well, that's the update. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon in the next update.